Hello and welcome to this video about the Chrome extension that makes your Notion database more visual. And for example, you can see how they are all related in a tree-based view. And this allows you to really see how your nodes are connected. So I think it's really cool for people that have a lot of tasks or a lot of nodes that are linked towards each other, because you can see how they are interconnected and maybe even structure them better. It gives me a little the vibe of Roam Research, where you also have a visual overview of your nodes, and I think it can really help you to build new connections and see where some aspects of your Notion database might be lacking, or what other ideas you have really explored already. So this was a quick look at Notion Tree View, a Chrome extension. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.